Ok, comenzamos desde aquí
Wait, si lo
a hacer la grabación. Yeah, why?
Entonces, ¿por qué no habla inglés?
Okay, what do you want to say in English? I don't know. This is my parrot, two baby female. This is the society finch. This is another society finch. This is another society finch. This is blue parrot, the pair. This is the society finch. Over there in the neck is the babies. This Gouldian finch babies. It's another parrot. American white and yellow American, I think. This is the two pair of the parrot with babies. This in this case, okay. This is society finch. Society finch. Society finch. This is society finch. This is society finch too, but the three birds in the neck is Gouldians. Three babies Gouldian. Okay, this is my Gouldian finch, all babies. And all these birds is Gouldian, John Gouldian. I have a couple society finch and Gouldian finch. You say something, Angel?
What?
No. Este te toca hablar a ti, que este es el aviary, donde están parrot finch. A ver, bueno. No entres mucho.
Pues, pero, ¿qué digo?
A ver, pues. Sí, esos cabezas rojas son los parrot finch.
Oh, parrot finch. Over there.
Okay, that is Gouldian finch.
Golden finch.
Zebra finch.
Oh, zebra
Couple
finch.
species.
¿Dónde está zebra finch? Alright, well, zebra finch over there somewhere.
Okay, get out of here.
Yeah.
Hablas mucho, no, falta más.
Hey.
Okay, I'm sorry. This is my other Gouldian. This is the breeding cage. This is John Gouldian. This is another Gouldian. This is another Gouldians. Okay, cambio fuera.